just going to chit chat for a few minutes before we dive right into today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Welcome back to another vlog, and also welcome to Vlogmas day 7. Even though today's date is 12, I am just recording day 7 because we are behind. I am 6 days behind uploading for Vlogmas, but this is what I signed up for and I am not going to give up anytime soon. I'm just having a cup of coffee to get my day started. I'm not gonna say I'm tired, but it is not easy. For the people that post every single day for Vlogmas, you guys are doing so good. Cheers to you, kudos to you. For me, I am gonna take my time. I'm gonna do it in my own pace, but I'm still gonna catch up. I'm gonna meet up somehow. I am going to meet up. So I am off work today and I really do want to make at least 3 videos today, long form videos. I at least want to make 3 of them today, and then I'm off tomorrow too. I at least make another 3. That way I can catch up and meet up, because I know somehow, somewhere, I am going to meet up with this Vlogmas. I am going to meet up, and I appreciate you guys being so patient with me because it's not easy, but we're gonna get there. We are going to get there. This is a dream I have and I'm not giving up anytime soon. So for today, we have something fun, we have something exciting, we have a festival to attend. So my church is hosting a young adult ugly sweater festival today at 6:30, and I really do want to go because I am super excited to just go out. I do not have a ugly sweater. I should probably make one myself, I think. So 2 things I'm gonna do today. I don't want to get myself to the gym this morning. I haven't worked out for a while. I feel like I'm slacking on that aspect really bad. It's not my fault. It is cold outside. Look, it is literally... Hey Siri, what's the temperature for today? Why is she not talking back to me? I don't understand. Siri, can you talk? She's writing the words out, but she's not talking. Something's wrong with Siri. Anyways, it's 33 degrees outside. I know it's cold. It's freezing cold. I can even feel it in my legs, even though I have my cozy slippers socks on. It is still freaking cold, and going out this morning, just I'm not having it. But we're still gonna go out and get the workout in and just get stuff done, I guess. But I'm gonna finish my coffee, then get ready, and then go to the gym, and then go find a way to get a ugly sweater for the festival tonight. But we gotta finish the coffee first. My face is looking so ashy and dried. Look how dried and ashy my face is looking. We're gonna have to do a little bit of a skincare routine before we head out, but I'm wearing my new sneakers for the first time today to the gym, and it's going to be lit. I'm just going to be goofy, so if you're wondering why this video is just all over the place, I'm just being goofy, and I really just want to have fun with Vlogmas. It's already stressful, please. I just want to have fun with Vlogmas because that's gonna be the only way I'm probably going to survive throughout the whole series. So we're gonna be goofy, we're gonna have fun, and we're gonna be ourselves. I think that's like the most important one. I have my lotion and my oil right here. Let's just get it over with. My face is clean because I already brushed my teeth and washed my face this morning, so we're just gonna throw on some lotion. And I have the face tracking on my camera, so if you're wondering why it's following my face, it's because I have the face tracking on. I barely use it, so I guess that's the thing for today. This is the lotion that I use for my body and face. I don't have a special face cream. I just use one lotion for everything. I don't have a picky face, so it works fine for me. Okay, later when I take my shots. Look how much difference that gives to my face. stopped by Burlington because I wanted to get a few stuff to create a ugly sweater for the festival tonight, and I got a few stuff, so I'm about to show you guys. And I got this cute hoodie from the men's section. It was for $15. It is so cute. I got this in large, I don't know, but I just love the design in the back. That was what made me got it. And then I got a sweatpant too for $9. I think I also got this from the men's section. It was for $9, and I'm probably going to wear this tonight. And for the ugly sweater accessories, that's what I'm gonna call it, I got this cute little poop. I don't know what this is, but what are you? Oh, it's a rat. I got this cute little rat tin that I'm going to use for the decor. I also got this, what are you got? Sherry. I got this sherry design stuff to put on the sweater to make it look ugly. I only got 3 designer stuff. I also got this cute little snowman. I know, this stuff is so cute. How am I gonna make a ugly sweater with cute stuff? I don't even understand it. But anyways, we're about to start getting ready. And I got this headband for myself. I'm just going to put it on my head when I finally get ready. It's probably gonna look cute, I think. So let's get into it. I have a couple sweaters that I can literally use to do this, so let's see. Alright, sweaters that I can use for this. I have this red sweater. I don't know, I can use this because, let me see, just trying to be creative a little bit. Yeah, I think this is going to work. We're just gonna do a little bit ugly stuff on it. Sweater really quick. I think it's really ugly. Hold on 1 second. Look at that ugly sweater. I don't even know what did I do, but it is looking so ugly, and this stuff right here is literally pulling the whole sweater down because it is so heavy. It even makes it look more uglier. But I'm not gonna lie, the headband is freaking cute. The headband is so cute. It's like the only cute thing I have on right now. It is so freaking cute, and I'm going to keep this headband for my Christmas photo. I can already picture it. It's so going to be cute. But we're ready and we're about to go. I can't wait to see what other people have on. Hopefully mine is not the worst because this is really ugly.
I saw you with your camera and I'm like, dang, I should have brought my camera today with me to practice. It's so easy to film with this. Oh, this to get the cash prizes. I hope so.
I mean, the questions are on the screen, so I don't need to. It has a different theme, so one might be just simply Bible, as far as Christmas stuff. You will have 15 seconds to lock in your answer. Okay, so one answer per team. the quicker you lock in your answer, the more points you'll get. So everyone might get the answer right. But if it took you 15 seconds and it took the pink team 1 second, they may get 1,000 points more than you, even though you got the same correct answer. Does that make sense? Yeah. Right, let's play Christmas trivia!
Yeah, this is stressful.
And she's explaining what I explained.
Oh, it's Charles Dickens.
These are the answers.
You're in. Oh, you are. It's Charles Dickens, yeah. Sorry. I read it every year. Look at that.
Charles Dickens. Who got it right? All right.
We know your literature.
Let's
Good
go.
work.
Let's go.
Jesse.
Come on, put us up there. Kidding me?
What Carol asked what child? All right. Okay.
Okay, I'm getting all the sweaters in here. Wait, I have a cookie.
We're gonna go one by one. Here we go. We're gonna have one person at a time step up, and we're gonna narrow it down to our top 5. And then once we have those, we're gonna pick our top 3.
Okay, so by cheering.
All right, by cheering. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. First contestant, stand up. Applause. Next contestant. Here we go. Here we go. Next one. Here we go.
She's like, yeah.
And our next contestant. Here's our final 5. You guys are going to tell us, give us a 10-second pitch why you should win. Here we go.
Okay, I should wear the ugliest sweater because if you read my shirt, it says "Meowie Christmas." You guys get it?
That was good. I like it. Step right up.
I should win the ugly sweater contest because I actually created this myself.
I think I should win the ugliest Christmas sweater because my son chose this, my 3-year-old. He came here and said, "Hi everybody," as he left.
home from the festival, and guys, I had so much fun. And I also won one of the ugliest sweater. I did. My sweater was top 3 of the ugliest sweater at the festival, and I got a prize for it. I actually won an Amazon gift card for the ugliest sweater. Like, while I was making this, I had no thought, I had nothing like that. Like, I just didn't know, like, I was gonna win. I just literally just made this out of nothing. Like, literally, I don't even know how to describe it, but I had so much fun. And also, my team also won on the trivia game. Huge plus, double wins. So my team actually won 2 on the trivia games that we had at the festival, and I am super excited. I am grateful to God for even making the day possible for me. Like, I am so grateful. Thank you, Lord, for making this day so perfect and possible. And also, I made new friends, I met new people, I had good food and good drinks. It was just so much fun. I just didn't want the night to end, but it has to. And yeah, that's pretty much it for my night. I'm about to go right on Amazon and use my gift card like now. I'm super excited. I'm gonna keep my ugliest sweater. It's actually my ugliest sweater. I love the sweater so much. I got a lot of compliment on the sweater as well. And that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video as much as I did, because I absolutely loved today. Like, I really did love today. And for the new friends that I met, thank you guys so much for making my night an awesome night. I hope we get to see each other again. And if you did enjoy watching this, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, comment down below what you think. Also, remember to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And until next time, and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys on day 8. Bye.